Hi, Angie and Kathy and everyone over at Air Supply. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence all on your own. Three things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first of those being content. So Google loves content, just to throw it out there, and content is king in the eyes of Google. But content isn't just the words on your page. It's also the pictures and how the pictures are saved and what's behind the pictures and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, etc. And so the magic number for the amount of words that you want to have on any page that you're trying to rank is 1,500 words. 1,500 words minimum. So this is your main page, and I'm going to say, I didn't put it through word counter. I would say less than 500, and that's okay as long as your other service pages have that. So I would imagine furnace and air conditioners are two of the very most important pages. And pretty much your furnace page just has, I would say less than 100, but it's mostly just your model numbers. And then if we go to your air conditioning page, just model numbers again. So it's actually not doing you any good as far as ranking. And then also your pictures. So like how your pictures are saved. So like this photo right here, installation air duct cleaning, Columbus, Ohio. You want to make sure that all your photos are saved as buyer intent keywords. So these two look like they're all right, but you're going to want to go through your entire website and make sure that all your photos are saved as buyer intent keywords. And then you're going to want to make sure to add that content, like I said before. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, just to name a few. Those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. Based on the research, it looks to me like you guys are trying to get some business in Columbus, which is obviously the biggest market in the area. So I typed in Columbus, Ohio HVAC companies. We got Columbus Worthington Air. We got Ohio Heating and Refrigeration, and we got Care Heating and Cooling, okay? I didn't see you guys. And so you can get here, and this has to do with citations. So get yourself some more citations. And then, again, if you're not here, because these guys are getting the most of the volume. So there's definitely a significant amount of people typing in Columbus, Ohio HVAC companies, and these three guys are getting the majority of that business. I would say 90% of those business. And then if you're not here, like as you can see, indoortemp.com, he's not in a citation, but his website is ranking organically because of other factors that aren't citations. So if you're not here, you at least want to be here. Because as you can see, these guys aren't here. So they may have citations, but their website's not doing what it needs to do. So they're just in the citations, but in the map pack, which is very good, but they're not ranking organically. So next, I have your GMB pulled up. Couple things. You got 26 reviews with a 4.8. Keep it up. Definitely something to be proud of. Keep pushing those reviews. We recommend 25 minimum. You're at 26. Granted, your competitors have 1,700 and 2,200, but this guy's got only 96. So keep it up. 26, keep it up. That's good. Nothing to complain about. Keep it up. Good job. You do have your address and your hours and your phone. You can add your website down here. That's going to help drive traffic to your website as well. And then the last thing is your photos. So, not sure if you guys put these photos up. Looks like you have quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9 photos, and these two may have been just drive-by photos. So you're going to want to make sure you have 10 photos at least. I would say like this one's probably not doing you guys much good. But 10 photos, and then you're going to want to, like I said before, save each of those photos as buyer intent keywords. And that's going to help you rank organically as well as the citations for this map pack. So 10 photos saved properly. Keep pushing the reviews. Put your website down here. Other than that, that looks good. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL is listed. So anywhere that airsupplyohio.com is going to give you a backlink. You just have to remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So you actually have 187 backlinks coming from 23 referring domains. But your domain rating over here is only a 0.2, and that's a 0.2 out of 100. So what that tells us is that your backlinks are probably coming from places that are spammy and not relevant. So you're going to want to do your homework, find out where you're getting your backlinks from, and remove them from sites that are not related to HVAC and that are spammy. Because otherwise, it's actually harming you, and that's what's happening here with a 0.2 domain rating. It's not doing you any good. So other than that, I hope that you implement these strategies. Oh, here it is. So this is what we use, Ahrefs, Ahrefs. This is a tool. It's a paid tool, but you can use this one to find your backlinks. And there's others out there as well, but that's the one that we use, ahrefs.com. Other than that, I hope that you find this video well. I hope that you implement these strategies to bring yourself some more income. I like to say that contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying Angie's List and Home Advisor for leads that are not exclusive. So those companies are giving the leads to 3 or 4 different guys and gals, and your website can actually be doing that all for you in and of itself. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Otherwise, I hope that your 2021 is prosperous, and thank you very much for watching.